Hello everyone, welcome back to BJ Tech channel. In today's video, I want to teach you guys an important method that you can be your client. This method you can use to be your client. It's called email flashing method. You know how it is. Let me show you guys how it is. Without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, head over to your browser. Once you're on your browser, you search for this website. I won't be revealing it because it's not free. You pay for it if you want to get the link. Just chat me up on my Telegram. So once you're on the website, let me go to. Once you're on the website, see, this is the website. Once you're on the website, see the interface. This is the interface of the website. So once you're there, as a first starter, you as a first timer, you click on get started. You create accounts. Hope you understand. Once you create accounts, but as for me, I have account before. Hope you understand. I have account on this particular website before, so I will need to log in my own details. So now I want to log in. Let me put my email and password. Okay, let me check. Okay, now I've logged in successfully. You can see it. So like this now, once you have create account, let me just tell you some few this thing, how powerful this site is. With this site, you can use it to flash your client, to support your billing method, your billing way to cash out. If you are using crypto flasher, that crypto flasher, crypto.com flasher that I dropped some weeks back ago, that crypto flasher, this email flashing method, you can use it as backing billing method. Hope you guys are understanding what I'm saying. This particular tools that I'm showing you guys here now, some guys already know about it, but I just want to do this video to show you guys how you can use it, how it can work. And this site is particularly free. It's free, so you just need to register and create an account. It's free for now, so there may be premium this thing later, but for now it's free. If you want it, just check my description below, enter in my Telegram, you can chat me on WhatsApp. It's going for discount price. I'm not charging much on it. Just enter my Telegram and get your link. So once you have create account on this site, you click on Flash Wallet. So this Flash Wallet, you can see now we have multiple wallets. We have the popular wallets here. You can see Binance, you can see Coinbase, you can see Cash App, Trust Wallet. It's not even working for bank accounts. It's not even only Coinbase. It's not only crypto wallet is working for. You can see it there. You can see Cash App, you can see Luno, you can see Zelle, you can see Zemo, you can see Gcash, man. See it. But for the purpose of this video, we are going for crypto.com because I already make a crypto.com flashing method. How you can flash crypto using crypto.com app. This crypto.com, if you search it on your Play Store app store, you see the app there. It's a crypto app. So like this now, let's continue. So once I will select the crypto.com now. Let me just do this very fast. Once I select the crypto, you can see it here, very sharp. So let's say we are sending BTC, but any coin that you flash your client, that was what you select here. It's not that you flash your client Ethereum, will now be sending your client, you now select BTC here. So just know, or you flash your client and USDT, you will now be putting this particular update. It works as if it's the company that sent email to the client, so the client won't doubt or be looking as if this thing is suspicious email. The client won't look that this email is fake, because thing will look legit. So like this now, I'll be choosing Ethereum. As I choose Ethereum, the quantity, let's say that the quantity of what we send is let's say we send like 3,000 worth of Ethereum. This is $3,000 worth of Ethereum. So this currency, make sure you are choosing USD because it will be in USD form. Well, or if you want to use any currency, but I'm using USD with amount and 3k USDT. Let me search it here. I'm using my second phone to search the Ethereum in dollars. It will give like equivalent to like 10 million USD. I just using this video to do example. So let's do 10 million USD. So just put it wallet address. I'll be using random number as my wallet address, so you should know what to do next. Once you are on this receiver email, you put that is your client email. Make sure you have collected your client email, because that is the important thing. Once you collect your client email, I'll be using my email. My email. Share it. Hope you guys understand. This is my client email. If you're enjoying this video so far, please like, and make sure you subscribe to this video so that you won't miss any of my updates. So you understand. So the next stage is the billing side. It will ask you whether you should choose billing or no. So but you choose the billing because you want to be your client. So you understand. You want to be your client. Let me check whether this email is correct. I'm checking my second phone. Okay, it's correct. So you be your client. Hope you understand. You be your client. So you choose yes. Once you choose yes, this is where you type your billing format. Let me just use this random billing format. You grab. So you just tell your client that to withdraw this funds, you will need a transaction fee. We need a transaction fee. You can use your own billing format too. I'm just can put, let's say let's bill him like 3k dollars. 3k dollars. Transaction fee of 3k dollars to complete this. Full stop. Okay. So you can still continue. Kindly make payment. Kindly make payment to the wallet address. You just write to the wallet address below. So you just like put your wallet address at the down. Just like put the wallet address at the down. Okay, let's do it like that. Just like let's use the wallet address at the down. Let's put it. You just there. So let's use that. I use this random number as wallet address. So I'm just using this as example. Show you understand. You cross check it. Let's check whether it's correct. So once you cross check it and you press send, hope you understand. Once you press send, it will be processing. You can see it now. It's preparing, connecting, send, and to be complete once you reach 100%. So that is very sharp. Once you reach 100%, we will check it. Your client will receive it 100%. So let's see, it has complete. You can see it now. Success. So let's check our email. Let's check our email and see whether it has shown. So you can see it. Let me go to my email. Let me go out to this. Let me choose my back camera. You see it. You can see it now. So you can see it. See this thing. You can see the time. You can see it. See the email. This is the email. So I'll just click it. You can see it now. You see that is the email. You can see it. To withdraw the funds, you will need a transaction of 3,000 to complete this. Kindly see. You can see it there. You can see that it looks like real email. Very sharp. It looks like real email. You can see it now. So this video is for educational purpose. Don't use it to scam. I'm telling you guys. So if you need this update, you know that you need this link, please enter my DM and get it. Enter my Telegram channel to get the link. Note is not for free. So if you enjoyed this video so far, please kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, and share it to your friends, and share it to your loved ones to enjoy this video. So see you next in my next video. Thank you.
Stay tuned for more tech insights. Like, share, and subscribe.